Just wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
It's the Tiffany's and bottles and bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Looking back, shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and not strings. Write my own text like I write what I sing. My wrist, stop watching. My neck is fuzzy. Make big.
What's up, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Tyrone, and we are back with another video. So today's video is going to be another vlog. We're going to be dropping off some packages, and then I'm going to be showing you guys how I like prepare my orders and stuff like that, or prepare myself for the week. It's Friday, but I want to prepare now because I need to start making orders tomorrow night because I have a lot to ship out. So right now I have my computer open, and I'm about to print some slips really quick, and then I just keep, these are just some remaining ones that I haven't done yet, but this is my order wall, so I'm gonna be keeping all my orders on this wall right here. Yeah, so I have a couple more I need to print out that aren't fulfilled yet, so I'm gonna show y'all. This is my order wall right here. And so I know it's not a lot right there. It's because I've been fulfilling them. These are the last couple I need to drop off. And so I'm gonna get those dropped off now. Okay, y'all, so when I'm doing my shipping labels to go inside of my packages, I don't print the invoice that looks like this. This is my copy that I keep on the wall or in my files. But I go to the Create Shipping Label tab, and I click that. And all right, and then I will click Print Packing Slip. And then I'm gonna click that really quick and show y'all what it looks like. I don't wanna do it while I'm on camera because I don't wanna show any of the customer's information, but that's how you do it. It's pretty like simple. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start printing those out. And I keep them in this file right here on my desk. Okay, and then while that's printing, I'm gonna also start hanging the invoice slip right here so that I can get a gauge of what I need to drop off and things like that. So this is the slip. I have one more to print. All right, so I have a lot of them. I just keep them in order in the file so I can know what's recent and what's not, what needs to get done first. Okay, so now I'm just printing my invoice slips that hang on the wall right here. It's the end of the week, so I'm basically done with my orders. I like to get everything done immediately. I don't like my orders to sit for too long. Yeah, so I don't like my orders to sit for too long, so I try to get them done and put out, especially before the weekend. Friday is usually my shipping day. I try to get everything out by 5. I'm kind of late today. It's 5:25, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. Okay, so my yellow highlighter is to highlight the items that they're purchasing, and then the pink one is to highlight their the person's name. So when I'm going through and I'm making the orders, I can know, oh, this is such and such's order, or you know, things like that. It helps to keep me more organized and more focused, so I know the order because I can kind of keep up. So yeah, so I like to be very like hands-on with all my customers. Like, I try my best to reach out to them personally on like Instagram or something like that, if possible, if I know they came from Instagram. Because Shopify will usually tell you. So I feel like that's the best thing, that's the key thing. And it's not even just for sale purposes, it's more so because it's what, like, I'm a very like people person, very much a people person. I love interacting with people. So with the online business, I don't really like come in contact with very many people unless I'm connected with them through social media. So that's like a key thing for me. I don't know about y'all, but I love to talk to my customers or whatever. Okay, so next I have these sticky notes, and I know y'all can probably see them up there. So basically, I did this for video purposes to cover the addresses, but I'm also gonna be doing it to like leave notes as well of things that I need for that order. And then all I'm gonna do now is just put them up on the wall and order the order that they will receive. Okay, so that's my wall right now. This way. I know it's not raining now. It's raining. Anyway, so this is my wall, yeah. So that's all the stuff I didn't get accomplished this week that I should have gotten accomplished this week. So I'm really upset with myself. But it's okay because I was not feeling good. As y'all know, if you watched my vlog yesterday that I posted, so make sure y'all go and watch that vlog so you don't miss anything from me. And we're about to be going over, we're about to go drop these orders off. And yeah. What y'all know about that one-handed driving, boy? Can't nobody whip like me, period. I don't care. I don't care. Can't nobody whip like me. I be whipping Felicia. Me and Felicia be on go. We be on go. Even when like I get a new, let me not say it because she can hear me, child. But you know, when that day come where like, you know, I have more than one car, potentially. You know what I'm saying? I'ma keep Felicia. Like, Felicia's gonna be my main go-to. Like, she's always gonna be my main. Like, she held it down through so much stuff, y'all. I done put her through it, but she has stuck with your girl. Cause like our love, our relationship and our bond is real. Like, this is my first car. I always got a special place in my heart. Always. Okay, so I'm gonna just keep it a buck. I don't know where the blue box is exactly. I know she said it was over here. There's a UPS, but I'm using US Postal Services, so that's not going to work for me. It's not gonna work for me. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to try to find it or ask someone if they know. I think I see it. Hold on. I feel like I just look a mess. Like, I just feel all over the place. I need to eat. I have not eaten. I do this to myself every day, y'all. But anyway, I found the post office because I could not find a blue box. So I had to go to post office. Y'all, I'm having the hardest time today. I don't understand. The day was going so good, and now I think I just need to eat. Okay, guys, I'm feeling way better. I just ate. So now I'm happy again. And I found a blue box. I had to drive all the way out to one by my old house, which I probably should have just done in the first place because, y'all, I have been through it. It's raining, as you can see. It's raining outside, right? And I have no umbrella. I have my umbrella at home. I knew to bring it. I thought in my head to bring it because clearly, I think I told you guys because some of my video clips cut out. This is why I was just about to like flip out. I'm on my cycle, guys, so I'm super dramatic at this point. But y'all, I was just really upset because I'm like, okay, so the video clips didn't record. What a lovely vlog already to start with. Then I'm just like, okay, now the freaking post offices, I can't find the freaking blue boxes. Then on top of that, I was hungry. I don't know. And then my curls fell. You can't even tell I had curls earlier. Should just straighten my hair. It's still raining, but here's the blue box. But we made it to the blue box. So yay. So I think I'm gonna make this a 2-day video because clearly I'm not gonna be able to do the next, which was supposed to be, I don't know what it was supposed to be. Honestly, I'm just vlogging so I can really show you guys like what I do on a daily basis. And I know it's been sucking. So I'm back home, but we're gonna have to cut the vlog for now and finish it tomorrow because I have homework to do. So I'll see y'all tomorrow.